Hey guys, Lucifer Handora here. So today I'm gonna show you how you make config. So before we begin, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, here's my channel right here. I have 5 subscribers right now. Okay, make sure that you go on YouTube and subscribe. Okay, all right. So if you're wondering where we can download Silverblade, what you need, guys, is Silverblade and your target website. Okay, just click this exe file and you may use Winhouse or zip to extract it. Okay, alright. As you can see, this is where you're gonna get the Silverblade, and this is the latest. You can see there are 7 releases right here. Okay, from 1.0, 1.4. This is the latest version. Okay, so we'll be making this config right here. So I'm gonna sign up right here. Alright, and of course you need a HTTP debugger. So make sure that you go and download, right, HTTP debugger Pro and download right here. And just click this link where it says, thank you for downloading HTTP debugger. So once you click this, alright, as you can see, if you have IDM installed, this thing should start downloading. Okay, it's already downloaded, but I already have it. Download it, install it, okay? Alright, so first what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna log in with a real account, but so right here I'm gonna just fake this. Right here, I get the password you have entered is incorrect, okay? Then I'm gonna click stop right here. Alright, so now I'm gonna find this thing is an API, as you can see. So now I'm gonna copy this thing. So what, core Silverblade, if you don't know how we set up this thing, okay, if you're opening this Silverblade for the first time, please watch one of my previous videos where I do a full tutorial about this, a full video about this. How do we set up Silverblade 1.1.4? Okay, so after this, you'll need to go to configs, go to new. Here, just put whatever name. Okay, so this is Fleeky AI. Alright, the request. So I create a request post. You can see this is application JSON. As you can see, the content type is application JSON right here. Put it there and just copy this thing, paste it in, post data. And right here, we're gonna change this PASS into this and the email. We're gonna change that into user, okay? So the email, we change that into user, and the password, we change that into this. Quick. Alright, so far so good. If we try to get this, we click a log and we click start button, we should be getting success false, as we can see right here, and we should be getting the message as a password that I have entered is incorrect. Okay, let's see. Yeah. It's the same message, so you're gonna copy this success false and just create a key check, put it in a failure key. Alright, like this. You may enter a second key check as well. Alright, this one. Alright. Now, of course, if success false, gonna be fail, but as you can see right here, success. If I just change the false into true, and now I'm just gonna, don't worry, I'm gonna change the password later, okay? So now if I click login, I should be able to get success true, and message is welcome. Welcome my name. And right here, I also see the token. So to pause the token, it's very easy. What I gotta do is pause this and put it right here. Or I can just grab this, the token value, and go to JSON. Put it right here and put it right here. Okay, now if I click start, it should pass the token as well. As you can see, it successfully passed the token name as token, and the value, the following value is this. Alright, token. Boom. Pass. Then we get success. Alright, so after the token, we have ID and we have email. Now right here we can see the name. So all you want to do is to grab the name, put it in JSON, put it right here, and don't forget to tick is capture because we want it to capture the name and we don't want it to capture the token because the token value is a bunch of data. Okay, as you can see, it starts right here, EYJ. It ends all the way right here, so we don't want it to capture this. See, if you don't tick is capture, then it won't capture. The capture will be only in yellow. But if we tick is capture, then watch what will happen. It will capture in red, okay? So when you crack, when you go to Runner, you load this thing. What is it? Flaky.ai. So make sure that you say the config first. When you crack, when you get a success account, it's only going to capture the name. Only those in the red will be captured, not in the yellow. Okay, so let's move on. So we have this user created date. So now, as for this one, I'm going to use left and right mode. LR means left and right. Okay, so I don't want it to capture the blah, 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 as you can see with this one. The 2024, which is a year 4 month, 07, which is July. And today we are 17. Okay, I want it to end right here. I don't want it to capture the time, zone, whatever. Okay. So I'm just going to add this little T in the right string. And right here I'm going to call it as member since or created apt. Whatever. Okay. So this is an ID. So of course the ID, we always put the ID at the top. Alright. ID. Then it's right here. So I'm just going to call it as ID. I'm just going to move it below the token. Okay, so ID. So this is what I'm going to label all of them as token. This is going to be the name, created at. Okay, so far so good. Now, if I want to add more captures, now let's see. It's going to capture the date I have created the account. Alright, which is today. Okay, now if I would like to add more captures, I'm going to have to go back, go right here and click submit right here. Alright, yeah, I forgot to. Yeah, so if you need to clear, just click clear right here, go back and click submit. Alright, as you can see, I get this. And now if I want to go into account, let's say I want to go into account rewards or maybe credits. As you can see, this is a free plan account. Alright, so the rewards, credits, let me see, data. Alright, so how we gonna use this? So as you can see, it's a post method. Again, we changed the method from get to post. As you can see, this thing has an application JSON. Alright, and this thing has an authorization BRS. So what you want to do, just copy this and just add the token value right here. Okay, so is this, if you pass this as this word, okay, then you want to write this word right here. Alright, but let's not make this video like, alright, so all you want to use to write token right here and just grab this operation, whatever, and put it in the post data. And now in credits, as you can see, credits, so just grab credits right here. So let's see. I believe it's going to capture this as well. It's going to give me this little sign as well. Okay, let me see. I'm going to show you. If I click start. Alright. Credits, 0 credits. Okay. Now, if you want just to end the config right here, so you can add a function and a key check. So the key check, in the key check, you want to add a custom. This will go to free. This will, when you crack accounts, when you check near combo list, it will crack accounts. And if it hits all those free credits with, all those credits with 0 values, okay, 0 credits will go into free. Alright, and don't tick ban if no key found. Alright, and right here, so we give the name in the variable right here, variable / cap name. We gave it as credits. So in the key check in this right here, we're gonna write credits and we're gonna change that if equal to 0. It's gonna go there, and if credits greater than 1, it's gonna go to success. And in here you can add like config by your name. Alright? Alright? Now if I click this, I should be getting bot status free, and it should captures like the following captures. Now go to other config. So since this config is API, you don't really need proxies. So just put 50 bots right here. Don't need proxies. Right here in the proxy, just click off and click start. Okay, so this thing will start checking, guys. Okay, and if it hits, you're gonna see in hits, and if you see any custom free, that means 0 credits, it will go into custom. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video will help you out get started, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if you don't know where to get this, the software, Silver Bullet software, rewind this video back at the start. You will find the GitHub link. Okay? Alright? Boys, peace out.